This video is going to go over how to find outputs for different values of polynomials using both direct and synthetic substitution. So how you first probably learn to evaluate an x value into a function is by direct substitution. So if I want to find f of 6 wherever there is an x, I'm going to replace it with a 6, use order of operations to then simplify and find our solution. From here, 6 cubed is going to give us 216. I know that 6 squared is 36 times a negative 9. It's going to give us a negative 324 minus 6 plus 105. Now I'm going to go ahead and add all of these up. So 216 minus 324 minus 6 plus 105. So I end up getting negative 9. So I know that when I plug in 6, my output is going to be negative 9. Okay. Another way to do this is using synthetic substitution. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the coefficients of each of these terms. And if there wasn't one of these terms, so if there wasn't an x squared, I would replace it with a 0. So I'm going to take the coefficients, so 1, negative 9, negative 1, and 105. I'm going to leave a space below it and draw a bar. And up here in the corner, I'm going to put a little box, and I'm going to plug in my x value right there. So our notation is a little bit different than what we're used to. To start, I'm going to drop down my 1, multiply it by 6, and place it underneath the negative 9. From here, I'm going to add the negative 9 and the 6 to get negative 3, and then do the same process over again. Multiply the negative 3 by the 6 to get negative 18, add it to the negative 1 to get negative 19. From here, I'm going to take negative 19 times 6, which will give us negative 114, add it to the 105, which will give us negative 9. So my answer is the last number. So again, like we did above, f of 6 is negative 9.